next stop is Lisbon.
I'm planning to visit my friend, and also I want to try to ride on motorbike on European roads. So 12 kilometers left. I did small pit stop here near this tree, and I'm going to Ericeira. Very fascinating view on my way.
You have arrived at your destination.
This is my friend, Lena. I ride 40 kilometers on motorbike, avoid the highways, and it was pretty nice. Now we're planning to hang out a little bit, and then I will go back to Lisbon. Ericeira is a pretty nice place. Look. No. I'm very afraid of dogs. And, need to do a little circle around. I don't know what it's called, but it's delicious. Very good. Very nice.
What are you doing, man?
I need to dry somehow my pants now.
I see.
It was a mistake. Bye. 5 years ago, Lisbon was much more attractive for me to live in. But now, there are very expensive rents and a lot of tourists and migrants. But if you are introvert and live near the ocean, it's a fantastic place. Therefore, it's Ericeira, not Lisbon, that's on my list of places where I want to return. And for now, I have a flight to the next destination.